Okay, ladies, I'm going to show you how to do these succulents. You wanted to know how they were done. These right here were the ones that I got off of Cricut Design Space. They come, you print them off flat, and see these little flappy things? These are the ones that you glue to the other side here. Now, I recommend that you do your painting of your flowers, the petals, prior, because I did them when I already had it glued together, and I couldn't get into the creases right in here as good as I wanted to. So I'm going to show you on this one right here, or this one, because this one's not glued yet, how to do that painting of the stamping. And this right here is the stamps. I didn't use a lot of the corals, and this is a little sponge, and this is the Walmart brand applicator, makeup, whatever you want to call them, little sponges. They come in circles, they come in little wedgies, they come in squares. And you could probably even use those new ones that they have out. And these stampers I got at a resale shop for $2.50 a piece, but these are normally $18 a piece, so I was pretty lucky. These are the colors that we're going to use. Oops, sorry. Turn that off. And I'm going to open it up here and show it to you. This color right here is kind of a reddish, pinky red. This is the one that I use the most. This one is a light, dusky pink, and I really like this one because some of the succulents have, if they're a light color like this, they have a dusky pink on them. So these are the two that we're going to use right now. I haven't tried any of the other colors. Although I did try this one, but it was a really bright pink. It wasn't a red, it was a bright pink. So I'm going to put this back over here. And I used tacky glue to glue these little puppies with the tab. And then, and you can see on the colors on there, how bright that is. Now these I did when they were folded and closed, only because I wanted just the tips and the outside of the succulent for the color to show up, not the inside. And on here I just used the color on the petals, around the petals and on the edges of the petals, so that you could see the red or the pinky, color. The red is the best. And then I used my handy dandy little pencil here, and I curled these. And you can curl them all the way down, and then they'll open back up a little bit, and it's beautiful. So we're going to paint this little puppy right now, and this one too. So I'm going to grab this one here. And I may have to put my phone down just for a minute, only because I'm holding on to it. And we're going to go over here and grab this. And we're going to grab this. And I may have to put this phone down for a minute, so you're not going to see how I'm actually going to do it. Let me get my daughter up here. Hold on 2 seconds. Alright, I'm back. I'm going to have my daughter hold that. And you're going to come over here so you can see this. Can you come over here?
It's flipped,
Yep.
okay.
Okay, I'm going to use the red. And just dab it in there. And get a good amount. And then we're just going to go like this. See how that red is coming off and onto that? And it doesn't bleed, so you don't have to worry. Just get it on in there and get it on the edges. And that's where the pink and the red is coming from, on the edges.
I know that's how
It shows up really neat. And then just do it for each little petal.
I thought it was the paper that did it. I didn't know you did that.
Nope. It's the stamp, ink stamp, whatever. Stamping ink, they call it. And then you can even go down in here, get a little bit of red in there, and then flip it over, and then put a little bit on here. Because you can see how I've done that.
Okay.
Okay, and then you can turn it off.
Oh, okay, done then?
Yep.